How's it going? My name is Barry. I'm the designer and engineer for Vanworks, and today I'm going to show you how to winterize your van. We all know that winterizing a water system could be a little intimidating, but we aim to make it as simple as possible by using only 2 valves. First things first, we open the fresh water tank drain valve, which is indicated by a blue handle. If your van does have a hot water heater, next we will be draining the tank itself. It involves turning the black valve a quarter turn till you hear a click. Now that the valves are open on both the hot water tank and the freshwater tank, water will drain through the bottom of the floor outside of the van. Once both tanks are empty, you're going to leave the freshwater tank valve open. And if you do have a hot water heater, we're going to go ahead and turn that black valve 1/4 turn until it clicks, which will close it. Next, turn the water pump on and open all the fixture valves to cold. For the next step, you do require an air compressor to thoroughly blow out the water lines. Here I have a specialty tool that we use. Your normal air compressor, you can set that at 25 psi at the valve. Open the brass bypass valve, which puts the handle in a vertical position, and attach the air compressor to the connection point. Run the compressor until only air is coming out of each of the fixtures. Repeat the procedure with all the fixture valves on hot until only air is coming out. Now reopen the hot water heater drain valve by turning it a quarter turn until it clicks again. Turn off the water pump and leave all valves and drains in the open position. They will be stored this way until it is time to refill the water system. You also want to make sure you thoroughly empty your gray water tank. Down below here in front of the rear tire on the driver's side, you're going to have a waste valve drain. Remove the cap, pull your T-handle, and that's how you empty out your gray water tank. Well, that about does it with the winterization process. We really hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at vanworks.com. Thank you.